Type of matrices. Today we will discuss different type of matrices. Column matrix. If a matrix has only one column, it is called as column matrix. For example, A is a column matrix of order 3 cross 1. In general, a column matrix is always of the order m cross 1. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, B is a row matrix. In general, a row matrix is always of order 1 cross n. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. For example, A is a square matrix of order 3. In square matrix of order n, the elements A, I, J, where I is equal to j, are said to constitute diagonal of the matrix. 1, 4, 5 are diagonal elements of matrix A. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix A is equal to A, I, J. M cross M is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. All elements A, I, J are equal to 0, where I is not equal to J. Matrix A is a diagonal matrix of order 3. All matrices of order 1 are diagonal matrices. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. Bij is equal to constant for all I is equal to j, and Bij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j. B is a scalar matrix of order 3. C is a scalar matrix of order 2. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which all diagonal elements are 1 and rest all are 0 is called an identity matrix. Aij is equal to 1 for all I is equal to j and is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. We denote identity matrix of order n by In. Identity matrix is a scalar matrix when k is equal to 1. Zero matrix. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. We denote zero matrix by O. Equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order and each element of A is equal to corresponding element of B. Aij is equal to Bij for all I and j. These matrices are equal if A is equal to x, x plus 5, y minus 2 and y, and B is equal to 5, 10, 6, 8 are two matrices of order 2 cross 2 and are equal, then x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 8. We can equate corresponding elements and find variables.